Begin by closing your eyes and releasing the air in your lungs. Take in a full, deep breath through your nose, allowing your lungs to fill up completely, letting the air go all the way in. Then sighing it out through your mouth. Release all of tiredness, tension, and negativity with your breath. With each exhalation, let go of all negativity. Relax into your breath. Just observe the natural flow of your breath for a few minutes. Slowly begin to tense all the muscles throughout your body, your arms and legs, your torso and back, your shoulders and face. Feel the tension and tightness in your entire body. Hold. Then, slowly release all the tension. Sense how your body feels as it presses firmly against the floor. Let go of all the tension and soak in a feeling of relaxation and calmness. Open your eyes, feeling full of energy and fully alive. Inhale, come onto all fours, shoulders over the wrists and hips over the knees in table pose. Exhale. Inhale, arch your back. Exhale, round your back, chin to chest. Inhale, push your navel down in cow pose. Exhale, push your hips back to your heels. Inhale. As you exhale, push your hips back and up to downward facing dog. Inhale, step or jump forward, lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold over your legs. Inhale, come to standing, reaching your arms overhead. Exhale, arms down by your sides, mountain pose. Inhale, arms up, slightly bend backwards. Exhale, hinge forward from the hips. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, step back to plank pose. Inhale. Exhale, bring your chin, chest and knees down. Inhale, slide forward to cobra pose. Exhale, push your hips back to child's pose. Inhale, come to all fours. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, step forward, lengthen the spine. Exhale, fold forward over your legs. Inhale, reach up in upward salute. Exhale, hands down to your sides in mountain pose. Inhale, bend the knees, reach your arms up, chair pose. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, lengthen the spine forward. Exhale, step your left foot back to crescent lunge, your left knee on the floor. Inhale, lift up your left knee, come to high lunge. Exhale to plank pose. Inhale. Exhale, 8-limbed pose. Inhale, slide forward to cobra pose. Exhale, push your hips back and up to downward facing dog. Inhale, left foot forward, come up to crescent lunge. Exhale. Inhale, lift the right knee, high lunge. Exhale, plank pose. Inhale. Exhale, 8-limbed staff pose. Inhale, lift your chest up and forward. Exhale, bring your hips back and up to downward facing dog. Inhale, step forward and lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, bend your knees, come to chair pose. Exhale, bring your arms by your side to mountain pose. Inhale, step your right foot back, come to 5-pointed star. Exhale, bring your hands to your waist, feet parallel to each other. Inhale, lift your chest up. Exhale, fold forward and place your hands shoulder width apart in between your feet. Inhale, lengthen the spine forward. Exhale, fold into wide-legged forward bend, keeping your wrists under the elbows. Inhale, lengthen your entire spine from your sit bones to the crown of the head. Exhale, root the four corners of both of your feet. Inhale, elongate. Exhale, deepen your fold. Inhale, lengthen the spine forward, place your hands on your waist. Exhale. Inhale, come up to 5-pointed star. Exhale, clasp your hands behind you. Inhale, lift the chest up. Exhale, fold forward. As you bring your clasping hands over your head, you will notice that you can deepen your fold. Inhale, come up to 5-pointed star. Exhale. Inhale, step to the front of your mat, mountain pose. Exhale. Inhale, reach with your arms overhead. Exhale, fold forward from your hips. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, step back to downward facing dog. Inhale, step forward and sit in easy pose. Exhale, extend your legs in front of your mat, staff pose. Inhale, draw your right knee into the chest and drop the knee to the right side. Exhale, press the sole of the right foot to your left inner thigh. Inhale, reach up with the arms. Exhale, fold forward, grab the outer edges of your left foot, ankle or shin. Inhale, lengthen the spine. Exhale, bring the torso closer to your left thigh, your gaze at your left big toe. Inhale, raise your torso and arms. Exhale. Bend the left knee to bring the soles of your feet together in front of your pubic bone. Inhale, stretch with your spine. Exhale, fold forward. You can round your lower back. Inhale. As you exhale, come down a little further. Use your breaths to deepen in the pose. Inhale, sit up. Exhale, extend your right leg forward, left heel close to the pubic bone. Inhale, raise your arms overhead. Exhale as you fold forward, grab the outer edges of your right foot, ankle or shin, head to knee pose. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, sit up. Exhale, extend your legs forward and press your palms into the floor by your hips to staff pose. Inhale. As you exhale, fold your legs back and sit on your heels in thunderbolt pose. Inhale. Exhale and fold forward to child's pose, resting your forehead on the ground and your arms by your side, palms facing up. Inhale, reach back to cup either your heels or ankles and lift your hips off your heels. Exhale, ground the crown of your head on the floor in front of your knees. While breathing normally, raise your buttocks higher and your chin pressing against your chest until your thighs are near vertical. Inhale. Exhale, come back to child's pose, resting your belly on your thighs. Relax the shoulders, jaw, and eyes. Inhale, slowly bring your head and torso up and sit on your heels. Exhale. Inhale. And as you exhale, gently come down to lie down on your back in corpse pose. Inhale. Exhale, draw your right knee towards you, hug your knee into your chest. Inhale. Exhale, drop your right knee to your left side, keeping both shoulders on the floor. Inhale. Exhale, root your right knee into the floor. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, bring the knee back to your chest. Exhale, extend your right leg to the floor in front of your mat. Inhale. Exhale, hug your left knee into your chest. Inhale. Exhale, drop the left knee to your right side, keeping both shoulders on the floor. Inhale. Exhale, root your left knee into the floor. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, bring the knee back to your chest. Exhale, extend your left leg to the floor in front of your mat. Gently sit up and lie on your belly. Toes flat on the floor. Inhale, place the elbows directly under the shoulders and lift onto your elbows. Exhale, ground the forearms and palms firmly on the floor. Inhale, lift your head and chest up. Exhale, root down the pubic bone. Keep breathing with awareness as you curve the spine. Inhale. As you breathe out, gently bring down your abdomen, chest, and head. Gently sit up and lie on your back to corpse pose. As you lie on your back, open your arms to the sides, bring both legs together. Inhale, lift the legs up to 90 degrees angle. Exhale, bend your knees slightly. Inhale, and as you exhale, feel your lower back softening. Make sure to keep your head and neck in a neutral position and relax your throat and face. Gently extend your legs onto the floor, corpse pose. While lying down on your back, gently close your eyes. Separate your legs at least mat width apart. Relax your legs, ankles, and feet. Bring your arms alongside your body, slightly away from your torso. Turn your palms upwards. Relax your arms, wrists, and hands. Let your fingers find their natural forms. Tuck your shoulder blades onto your back for support. Release all effort and let your body completely relax, including your face. Let your breathing occur naturally. If your mind wanders, bring your attention back to your breath. Stay here and relax. Slowly deepen your breath. Begin to gently move your body. Namaste.